This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome, DBS. Thank you. You are supporting my two series that is Master Oracle Database 19C in a minute and Master Oracle RAC 19C in a minute. So, Master Oracle 19C database concept, I have already uploaded 10 videos. Now, today is the 11th session, and today I will talk about read-only Oracle Homes. And we know that Oracle Homes is very important. So, starting with Oracle Database 18C, you can configure an Oracle Home in read-only mode, and basically we are distributing the data and log files separately. So for that purpose, read only Oracle Home, all the configuration data and redo log and log files reside outside of the read only Oracle Home. So this feature allows you to use the read only Oracle Home as a software image that can be distributed across multiple servers. And we know that we had Oracle Base and Oracle Home, but there are two directories also: Oracle Base Home, that is Oracle underscore Base underscore Home, and then Oracle underscore Base underscore Config, that used to be in Oracle Home. And benefits of read-only Oracle Home, that it enables seamless patching and upgrading of Oracle databases without extended downtime, simplifies patching and mass rollout, as only one image needs to be updated to distribute a patch to many servers. And it simplifies provisioning by implementing separation of installation and configuration file. So suppose you want to copy Oracle software image on multiple server, then you can use this read-only home. Actually, is the best way, where you can clone only the software image, actually, not the database cloning. Okay, so that is the good practice. But in 21C, this Oracle read-only home becomes by default. But again in 23C, read-write Oracle home is by default. So its rise and fall is going on about read-only Oracle home. So I will continue this concept in two or more, three sessions, so then you can understand better about the read-only Oracle Home. So how you can enable read-only Oracle Home, and how you can find out my Oracle Home is read-only or not. So we will discuss in two, three sessions in my series. Okay, so that's it for today. And thanks for all of you. Today I hit 4,000 subscriber, so that is a good achievement. And still those people who are not subscribing and only watching it, so please subscribe our channel Oracle Ride, so that you can get the notification whenever I'm uploading any new videos. And whatever the information I'm covering or I'm speaking in that, my source is Oracle documentation, Oracle books from private writer, Oracle blogs, from online YouTube channel of different mentors. So I'm taking the knowledge from all these and consolidating in my session. So I hope I'm not doing any copyright. So that's why I'm mentioning these things. And only my motto is to share the knowledge, to make short videos, so that people can easily check it and get the upgrade in terms of the Oracle database knowledge. Okay, so yeah, one thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you will do that, it will motivate me. So thanks. Keep watching, keep learning. Cheers.